everybody, welcome to the vlog. Ignore this, I just woke up, but remember the two clips I took yesterday? One of them was of it's starting to snow. I just woke up and it looks like this outside. Like what? It snowed last night, like a lot. Like my car is like under so much snow. So yeah, I think me and Michelle are gonna take this chance to go take some pictures. So I'm gonna go brush my hair and let's go. It is so bright outside. The snow's probably gonna melt because it is so sunny. Riley. Riley loves the beach. She loves the feeling of like the sand on her legs. Why is she so happy? You ready to go, Shell? Yeah. I don't know, but it is so nice and bright. The perfect lighting to take photos. Everybody, we're back. It's been like, Michelle, join the club. It's been like 2 days since I've last vlogged because nothing has happened since. I think I showed you we were walking in the snow. That was like 2 days ago, wasn't it? And the snow is still here. It's so white you can't even see it. It hasn't snowed since. It just hasn't melted. It snowed yesterday. Oh well, it snowed a little bit, but most of it hasn't melted, so it's like pure ice. And yeah, we're gonna go shopping for food because I haven't left the house in like 5 days. And my car barely sounded like it was gonna start there because it's been sitting unused. So yeah, we're gonna go food shopping and that's the height of life. Oh yeah. Show the people.
Okay, so I got some pens.
These are the good pens.
Very important.
Shell's gonna do a little haul since I showed you what I got.
A refill pad, because I'm back at college, well, kinda.
Homeschool.
And then I got some Belvita breakfast biscuits, because I like them. And they're handy when I can't be bothered to make food. So, there you go.
A stupid value, a cost cutters, and a solo. I don't know what this video is. It's probably just gonna be a shop with me with a bit of a snow thrown in there, since that was pretty much.
Are you putting a walk in there?
Probably.
Nice. Or over the weekend, you'll see me there.
Because it was gonna be a vlog, but all I did was go for a walk in the snow and then go shop. I put my pizza in. Yeah. I bought things to make pizza. I haven't made pizza since I was like 15 in home ec, but I'll film putting pizza in and make a pizza.
Yeah, I want to make a YouTube channel, but I don't know what to film.
Michelle wants to make a YouTube channel but doesn't know what to film. She should just do what I do and film a load of shit.
Yeah, but see, I want it to be like an art one, but it's so hard to film those type of videos. Like, I could be sit drawing for like 4 hours, so I'm going to have like 4 hours of record. Like, my phone doesn't have that much memory in it, I doubt.
Yeah, you might need to invest in the camera, maybe. Shopping, and now we're gonna go home. We're probably gonna eat.
Yeah.
So has been a while since we've been back from the shop. As you can tell, it is getting dark outside and the snow is still there. I realised when I got back, well, I knew beforehand that I needed yeast for my pizza, but the 2 shops I was in didn't have any. So this flour that I got, I said it's particularly good for, sorry, I'm getting distracted. It's particularly good for making pizza, so I was like, oh, this is probably good enough. Got home, on the back has a recipe to make pizza, needs yeast. So my little sister needed to go to another town, to the chemist. So I was like, you know what, let's just go now. I checked another 2 shops, no yeast. I'm like, girl, where sells yeast? Does anybody know? Because I don't know. So there are recipes for non-yeast pizzas and there are substitutes. I think you can put as a baking powder, baking soda, and like lemon juice. There is alternatives to yeast, but there is also non-yeast pizza. So I might just do the non-yeast pizza. Pray that I get a yeast somewhere. If anybody knows, let me know where you get yeast from. But yeah, I'm gonna attempt to make a pizza from scrap. I'll show you the ingredients. So yeah, this is the flour, because you're supposed to get bread flour, but they didn't have any. But this is for stretchy dough. It's got pizza, and on the back, it actually has a recipe of making pizza, but of course you need yeast, and I don't have that. I got, you've probably already seen it, but that's the passata for the tomatoes, olive oil. I'm going to put some garlic salt or garlic powder on it, just a little bit. So I'm going to go attempt to make a pizza, and I'm going to, because I'm trying to eat healthy, and honestly, I have like cheese and mushrooms and onions to put on as well. I showed you all that just before this. But yeah, I'm trying to be healthy, and I don't really like frozen pizzas, are not hitting it. And I'm trying to avoid takeaways and all of that. So I'm gonna attempt to make my own pizza. So I'm gonna get it cooking and I'm gonna show you what it turns out like. The lighting looks so terrible. Better. The lighting is like so yellow in here. Oh my god. These are like, I don't actually use glasses. These are blue light filter glasses, because yesterday I had the sorest head of my life. And I was like, oh, my neck and my eyeballs, and I don't know if these work. And they don't do anything bad to my eyes, I guess. So I figure why not, you know? Just finished dinner. It was actually really, hold on, I'm distracting myself with these glasses. Actually, surprisingly pretty good, but it is sitting so heavy in my stomach. I'm like, oh. I think because I pretty much just ate pizza and garlic bread, so I don't know what I expected. I did use a recipe, and in case anybody wants a good no yeast recipe, I used the, I'm not going to turn my camera on because it can be ours. It was the BBC Good Food no yeast pizza dough recipe. But it makes so much pizza. It says it makes 2 pizzas, and so I split the dough down the middle. So yeah, I still have like half of it left. I'll eat it either tonight if I'm hungry. It's only like 8 o'clock, but if I'm hungry I might eat it, or eat it tomorrow. But I still have like a whole other dough left. So you can make so much pizza for like nothing, you know? Because I hardly use any of my flour that I bought, or any of my ingredients. I could make like 5 more pizzas. So yeah, I have to, it's Monday night. The vlog's been like all over the place because I thought I'm waiting on packages, deliveries. I did a Boots shopping spree, and I did a In the Style. I got a few things from there, so I want to do like a haul thing. So hopefully that's my next videos if they come in time. Apparently they've left the warehouses, so I thought they were going to come today. So I was planning on filming that today, but I did start doing a vlog as well a couple of days ago, so I think I'm just going to get this vlog up for tomorrow. Fingers crossed. My internet again is terrible, but I'm going to sit and edit this now. And hopefully it's up tomorrow, because I'm trying my best to stick to twice a week. And hopefully my next couple videos are actually going to be really nice haul videos. So I haven't left the house all weekend. Like, it's kind of dangerous to be going out, and again, we're still in a level 5 lockdown in Ireland, and by the looks of it we're going to be in one for another couple months. So yeah, I can't go shopping or crossing the border or out to eat or anything. You have to stay home. You can't even meet up with people. So, and the fact that it snowed, I was like, yeah, this is the height of the fun living in Ireland at the minute, which is no fun at all. My life is boring. Okay, it just is what it is. This is the most, you know, I film the most exciting parts. Hopefully, hopefully I have a couple of unboxing and haul videos coming up. So keep your eye out for that. Subscribe so you don't miss them. Like this video and leave a comment. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!